Hi friends, so today we are going to study about what does open source means. Okay, so Arugya Sedu app has become an open source. So what do you mean by open source? Okay, so there are mainly two kinds of software. First one is proprietary and the other one is open source. So any software which has brought or licensed to have a license we may be calling as proprietary software or closed source software. So this proprietary or closed source software is like our Adobe Photoshop, Microsoft Windows. They're actually, even if we buy, it has the license is there for the creators. Okay, so but about open source software, we know about Ubuntu, right? It's an open source software. It need no licensing and it can be bought by almost everyone. So its source code is open for everyone. Like everyone can download, everyone can examine, everyone can redistribute and improve if they can, with an acknowledgement to the original software coder or company. So examples are like VLC Media Player, WordPress, Mozilla browser. So these are our open source software. So what our Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology has done is they had released the source code of Arogya Sedu app. So they had released the source code of Arogya Sedu app. So for what? It will promote what transparency and collaboration with the software developer community. So the IT Ministry has come in wake of demands from cyber law experts and critics who said that the app was too closed in nature and without adequate data protection measures. So many of the cyber law expert has said that this software Arogya Sedu app is very close data. They don't have any enough data, so that is why they opened the source code of the release source code of the Arogya Sedu app. So why has the source code of Arogya Sedu been made public? With the launch of app on April 2, the IT Ministry has explicitly mentioned in the terms of use that no one was allowed to reverse engineer the app or alter with coding of app. So this was done, this was said when the app was released in April 2. And this was made a lot of critics said that why should whether the app could be used for surveillance like that in China. In China, there is an app for it. So almost for everything, like if we're going for park or shopping, they should have to see open an ad app and so show their health status. It will have different color coding and all, like red if that person is infected, yellow if it's a containment or like that. So that kind of the people had told like has a feeling that this Arogya Sedu app can become like that, lead to more surveillance. Okay, so that is why cyber law experts and the software developer community had called upon the government to allow reverse engineering and to publish the source code. That is why the government had published the source code, and it was released in line with the policy of adoption of open source software for Government of India. Government of India or government any state government is always promoting open source software because like Ubuntu etc. In Kerala we have this IT Kerala mission. Every people or every student has been inclined to use Ubuntu because Ubuntu is an open source software. Every time government promote open source software. Okay, so this address security and privacy concern. Let's see, because it's too early to tell. Okay, now that source code has been released, software developers from around the world will able to go to the code and point out any vulnerabilities and fix loopholes. Okay, so this was said by some of the experts. And besides, the government has not yet released the service side code. So the service side code of the app is not yet released, so that is why that also lead to some kind of loopholes. So they have to be looked upon. Now, what purpose will open sourcing service side code server? So server side code is needed. So what will that do? Any applications or functionalities on mobile phones or other handheld device that need internet connectivity to run. So sending and processing of such data is said by server. So server is processing that kind of internet connectivity and like that. So that have to be assessed for what? For surveillance, if government is surveilling us or not. So then only we can come with a complete clarification. Okay, so government has released the open source code but not yet the server side of the code. So that is to be released, then only you can do more. But if there is any problem in the open source code, that will be told by the ops of softwares around the world. So thank you. I hope you understood about open source. Open source is one of the important topics in government promoting open source. So thank you.